This program is created by Rob Poulos, and it helped him lose 42 pounds and 10 inches off his belly by just spending 45 minutes a week. It also helped his wife, Kaylin, lose 59 pounds and 8 dress sizes, while still being able to enjoy yummy but fat-burning foods all day. It is a guide teaching you how to burn fat, lose weight, build muscle, and improve your overall health effectively and efficiently. Interesting section I would like to share with you on the exercise program is that it explains why cardiovascular exercise does not help to burn fat and even worsens your health. It can even lead to injury in the long term and reduce your muscle mass. Hence, the next thing I am going to share with you is the type of exercises that Fat Burning Furnace focuses on and the benefits of such exercises. Fat Burning Furnace recommends resistance training that will raise your RMR, help build muscle, and even improves your health. Next, let me bring your attention to the section that actually describes the different exercises. It gives you 2 tables comprising of compound and isolation exercises and the muscles that are worked for each exercise. You can refer to these 2 tables to select exercises for your own routines. The pages after that describe each exercise in detail with photos of Rob doing it. This is a really good point, as you will know exactly how to perform them. I would like to share with you a very important advice that Rob gave. He tells you that your body craves micronutrients resulting in hunger. If you eat food rich in nutrients, you give your body what it wants and you get satisfied hunger. Hence, it is important to eat the correct foods. Another thing I would like to share with you is the part on why you should have small meals throughout the day, instead of waiting too long between meals. It tells you what the outcome is when the time between meals is too long, and the benefits of small meals. Fat Burning Furnace still has lots of useful information. I wish you all the best of luck in getting your ideal body and maintaining it.